Hello friends, welcome back to another video friends. So in this video I'm going to show you one of the best app which is going to give you the more invest when you keep the amount in that app. So it is going to give 12% of the interest. So in this video I'm going to explain full detail about the app and also show you the payment proof also. So before going to the video, please just subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel and watch the full video. And if you have any doubts, please do comment down below. So now let's get into the topic. So in this video I am going to give the link in the description, so you can go to the description and click the link, so that once you click the description, so you will going to open the Bharat Pay app for the merchants. So it is useful for others also, not only for the merchant, we can also common persons also can use this app. So once you click on the link, so the page will be redirect to this Play Store. So once you install this app, just open it. So I already filled all the details for simple sign up process. So like how much your profile filling, like you need to have some PAN card and also some email ID, phone number. You have to build some basic information friends. So in this video I'm going to show you the full details. So first of all I will show you the proof friends, so how much I got in this app. So let us open the interest account. So as you can see here, I kept in this account 40,000 rupees. So just as you can see here, invested 40,000 rupees and also I got 508 rupees friends. So as you can see here, it is going to give the 12% interest friends. So in this app you are going to get daily based interest. I will show you the full details how we will get all the interest and all. So as you can see here, daily I am getting the 13 rupees friends. So you can withdraw any time friends, you can withdraw any time and it will take some time to credit in your bank account. And also this is an Bharat Pay app, is a big app, so you can get all the offers. So you can do the mobile recharge, bill payments, everything. And also there is a customer care number which is available here. As you can see here, 888 255 5444. So you can contact to them for more information, so that you will get more information regarding this. So if you have any doubts, you can get into them. As you can see here, I got the money. And also this app provides the best features like any other app doesn't provide. This app provides the more interest friends, and also you can keep your money. So as you can see here, you can keep the money in this app, and also whenever you want you can withdraw. It is not a fixed deposit app friends, make sure that it is not a fixed deposit app. And this is an interest account. To enable the interest account, you need to have the PAN card friends. Make sure that PAN card is mandatory. So PAN card is mandatory, you should have. And also in the new update for the interest, if you want to open the interest account, you need to do the transactions of 10 to 15 transactions friends, so that you will be unlocking the interest account. Nothing friends, just receive the correct 5 members of friends. So with the 5 members of friends, just receive the 100 rupees of amount to open the interest account. I will show you the one of the trick also, so that you can receive the money and you can open the interest account in this app. For example, let us think that your friend is using the Phone Pay account. So as you can see here, we are having the Phone Pay account. So once if you have a friend, one member is having the Phone Pay account, he can also do the payment with the Phone Pay, Google Pay, Bharat Pay, and also the Freecharge, Airtel Bank. So you can do all this. Let us think that normally basic user will use Amazon is compulsory, and also for the Google Pay and also for the Phone Pay. Let us think that if you have one friend, you can receive 3 payments friends. So once you receive the 3 payments, if you collect minimum of 5 like that, you can activate for the first time you can activate your interest account. So once you activated the interest account, so you can start investing the money in this app friends. So daily I am getting the money friends. So actually I invested before like 10 to 15 days before friends. So I am getting the interest for daily for 40,000 rupees. I am getting the 13 rupees every day friends. Every day I am getting the 13 rupees. So as you can see here, so every day I am getting they mentioned, I will show all my transactions once. So as you can see here, interest earned 13 rupees point 16 paisa. So as you can see here, so and also interest settlements also you can see it from here. So as you can see here, So 13 rupees every day I'm getting the 13 rupees, friends. So you can not, it is not mandatory to add only 40k. So you can also add the less amount also. So you can add the less amount also, you can get the more interest from the 12% of interest from this app, friends. So as you can see here, they mentioned 12%, total of 12%. And also if you want to add the money in this app, so I will show you. So you need to receive through the QR code, friends. So and also if you want to withdraw the money, you need to add your bank account details to withdraw the money. So I will show you how you can withdraw the money in this app. So simple steps are there, friends, just a few steps, so you can get the withdrawals. If you have more money in this app, so it will take some times to withdraw. So as you can see here there is an withdraw option, so just you can click on withdraw. So and also here the interest only, or else you can withdraw the full amount. So you can do both of them, whatever you want. So if I want to withdraw only the interest money, you can click on the interest money, so you can withdraw that. So if you want to withdraw one full money, so you can withdraw with this by clicking here. And also this also give the like you can do the payment bills, also you can do the insurance in this app also. So as you can see here, so for example minimum for example I am going to tell you, if you invest 1 lakh rupee for example I am saying this example, you can invest any money. You can start with the 100, 200, if you have 1000 you can also invest, so that you will be getting the more interest when you compare to the banks. So here and also here it is not a fixed deposit, it will be getting the amount in daily basis, friends. So make sure this point, in daily basis you can withdraw any time, friends. So and if you have any doubts like payment issues and all, you can contact to them. And here when you invest for example 1 lakh rupee, you will getting 12,000 rupees per annum. Per annum means 1 year. It means that every month you will be getting 1,000 rupees. For example, let us think that you invested 1 lakh rupee. So after the 1 month you want to withdraw, so daily basis you are getting first thing, and also after 1 month if you want to withdraw, you can withdraw 1,00,000 rupees, like that, friends. If you keep the money for 1 year, you will be getting 1,12,000 rupees. So if you want to, once you invested, it will take some time to credit to the interest account also. So sometimes it may take some time to credit to the invest account. No need to worry. And also you will be getting some of them like you will be getting all the notification to your register WhatsApp number. Make sure this point you need to give the register WhatsApp number, so that you will be getting the faster updates, friends, when you get the money payments, receive the payments, send the payments, and do anything also. So and also you can order the QR code from here. So as you can see here, you can download the QR code, or else you can order the QR code. I got the free QR code, so you can also order by giving your address and all. And also you can watch this Khata book, invoice and all. You can do many more things in this app, friends. So as you can see here, once you install this app, please fill up all the details. I will give the link in the description, go through that. And if you are interested in this app, you can download and you can start investing the money in this app, so that you will be getting more interest when we compare to the banks. So that's all for this video, and if you have any doubts, please do comment down below. And also please do like this video and share this video with your friends and family members. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video.